unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Your stomach makes loud noises at night because your intestines are moving gas and fluids as part of normal digestion. Called borborygmi, these sounds become clearer when you're still and quiet. They don't always mean you're hungry. Sometimes it's just your gut working to digest and clean itself. Drinking water and avoiding heavy meals before bed can help reduce these nighttime noises.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.